Look guys, I am going to be bringing to you today a dietary supplement that I stumbled upon that seems to be working out for me. Now guys, I am not a doctor, I am not a dietitian or anything like that. I am just a person who is trying to lose weight and needs some help controlling my appetite. Okay guys, without any further ado, the supplement that I will be telling you about today is called Performance. SST. Okay guys, this is what the box look like. You get 60 pills in the box. I got mine from my local GNC. It looks like this. And you are supposed to take this pill on an empty stomach. You're supposed to take one a day until you build up a tolerance to be able to take 2. Now guys, I bought this supplement with my own money. I'm not sponsored by anyone. Like I said, I was looking to lose weight and I looked into this supplement and I like it. It doesn't give you any heart palpitations. You will be able to sleep at night and you will not have any jitters. Like I said before, there's 60 tablets in the bottle and the tablets look like this. Okay guys? Hope you can see that. Now, the pills will give you energy. It will suppress your appetite. It will not keep you up at night. It will not give you heart palpitations. And I like it. I like it. So the guy said if I don't like the pills that I can bring them back. I can get a refund or an exchange. He also gave me a $5 off. He gave me $5 off my purchase. And pretty much that's it guys. If you decide to try this product, I don't think you'll be disappointed. I'll keep you updated on my weight loss and if I decide to stay with the pills. But initially, I'm telling you right now, I like what it's doing for me already because I took some yesterday. And when I got up this morning, I was not hungry. I had my coffee because I'm a coffee drinker. And I had my coffee, but I ended up having to take this pill like later on in the afternoon after 1 o'clock. And I was able to go a nice long time all the way up to like 4:30 without having to have anything to eat. And when I did stop to get something to eat, I could not even eat all of my food. I was only able to eat a few bites off of my vegan burger. And pretty much I brought my food home. Guys, it's a thumbs up for me. Like I said, I'm not sponsored by anyone. I bought those supplements with my own money. You have to take this pill at your own discretion. And keep me posted on how your weight loss journey goes with these. But I am saying yes. This is what the bottle looked like. You get 60 tablets in it. Once again, guys, I am Top It Off with Miss R. And welcome to my channel. If you have not yet, please comment, like, and subscribe. And come on back and visit me because my channel, it shows you how to do a lot of things. And if there's something that you would like for me to try for you and give you my honest opinion, because I'm always going to give you my honest opinion, shoot me a comment and let me know. And I will try to do, I will be your test dummy. And I will try the product for you. Other than that, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. And until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.